guys are walking from here and we're leaving the trike here. Alrighty, let's get going. Make sure that we all walk really fast. It's important that we get to our destination. First thing, we have to get through this fenced area. Why the fenced area? Oh, hang on. Everybody in? John, come on, keep up with the rest of the group. The reason we have this fence is to keep the predators, like the mongoose, from eating the eggs of the albatross or the sea turtles, or messing around with the monk seals. Those are the three biggies that we want to protect out here, and that's kind of what this is all about. So it's a half-mile walk. We're going to keep walking fast. Notice how I keep talking and walking fast at the same time. It's very important. So we're going to head on, and the first thing that we're looking for is, do we see any albatross flying around? There's our albatross sighting. And oh, this guy's coming around and around. Now they won't let me bring my drone in here, but they let these guys fly all over the place. I don't get it. Something's not right. All right, let's move on. This is the point. We've made it. We did a half mile in 2 minutes. Oh, this is to send home all our love to all those that can't be with us today. All right, this is where I do my ventriloquist act. I move my lips and say something different. So this is Kaena Point, the most west-north piece of land on Oahu. During the winter, we sometimes get waves up to 60 feet out here. It's really amazing, and it's a great sight to see. So now we're going to take a panoramic view of the point. There's Kaena Point, and what you're going to see now, and what I wanted to point out to you, and that's Kahuku Point. Remember Kahuku Point? We were there a couple weeks ago. The Waianae Mountain Ridge, and that's the Waianae coastline. We'll take a little walk here and get a little closer to the ocean. That's the Waianae coastline again, and that will be the subject of another episode. All right, there's our nest of albatross, and Papa is managing the flight zone. Look at these guys. They're incredible. Now, from what I understand, these guys live out in the ocean all the time, except when they are nesting or mating. But otherwise, they live out in the ocean. Pretty amazing. They actually convert salt water to fresh water. I thought that was pretty amazing too. All right, we're heading back. Let's keep up. Remember, we got to walk fast. And we want to make sure that we get out of here properly and close the door. Everybody in a line. Okay. Everybody out. Okay. Yep. Shut the door. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's quickly walk back on here. Why are we running or moving so quickly? That's because we want to make sure that my trike is still there. I did lock up, and I want to see. Oh, I see it over there. Okay, we're good. Alrighty, that's a relief. All right, we're ready to head on back. So I'd like everybody to get all stretched out, put on a little bit more sunscreen, get some water. I am going to need a little help today on the way back. I'm going to be riding backwards really fast, and I'd like you guys to help pull along so we can get to the parking lot as quick as possible. Okay, we're here. Thanks a lot. So let's go get the drone out.
I've chased you all of my life. I can't let you slip away. Now that the time is right. Passion lies deep in my heart. The thrill of your touch sends me sailing, wandering high above the clouds, or falling like rain onto the ground. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes my soul. Sing me a song of the island. Rock me in your arms, gentle shore. Softly the sun breaks through the clouds, flowing over the land. I feel the warmth of its rays. Now my eyes clearly see. I've come home to rest my weary bones. Traveled souls that wandered aimlessly, dancing in the waves that wash the sand. Pacific wind is blowing through my hair. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes my soul. Sing me a song of the island, or rock me in your arms, gentle shore. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Oh, gently it washes my soul. Sing me a song of the island, or rock me in your arms, gentle shore. Rock me in your arms, gentle shore. Rock me.
Well, since we're close to the airfield here, I thought I'd try a little experiment I've been working on with my trike. A little customization, if you will. All right, well, let's hope it works.
Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Oh, gently it washes my soul.
I hope you enjoyed our ride today from Waialua out to Kaena Point. It was a little tricky getting through those bumps and everything, but we did it. I'm real proud of you guys all hanging in with me. I appreciate you coming along for the ride. I think we're going to try to head over to the Waianae coast and continue our tour around the island of Oahu. Thank you again for joining us. Be safe, be healthy. Aloha.